Okay, got a quick safety tip for you today. I've got the Mavic Mini here. Just been going over the motors and props, just checking for any signs of wear. And something you may not be apparent to the naked eye. If I get my little magnifying glass here, you will see some strange black lines. That's the Mrs. hair. It just got entangled in props. Can't really how to do this with one hand. You can see it's wound around there. And on this side, there's even one there that's got caught between the motor and the airframe. So I would suggest that everybody checks their motors and props thoroughly and get some tweezers to remove them with. This is very difficult to do with one hand. Okay. So I'll do that properly later. But obviously if you pull them round and spin the motor, it should unwind if it's just the one on there. So please be aware of that. If you're flying indoors and you're a missus with long hair like I do, she might be the cause of your next crash.